I'm Brian Manion. I'm responsible on this project for the manufacturing MES ERP implementation portion of the program. I've been with Eclipse Automation for 8 years. Project required ISO 1345 implementation, which is a medical manufacturing component. My experience for many, many years, in excess of 20 years in medical manufacturing, was my ability to challenge the implementation, and part of that was not to only include the requirements to meet the ISO 1345 and other FDA class requirements, but also to protect Eclipse innovations on the liability protection through extra constraints in our data system. A good example of that is that the ERP systems typically come down to a certain work order level, and then the resolution of frequency of data that's associated with a specific build or job order does not have the resolution that we need for true traceability. So we have a marriage between the Epicor ERP and our own systems on the machine to basically bind user IDs and data related to incoming material to the machine with the Epicor traceability data, which goes back to supply chain and the job orders and so on. So what was important in this implementation, especially with the time factor, was that the configuration that Epicor could provide is what we needed. We were able, through the team working together, take very complex configuration options and narrow it down to what we needed and configure it. There was very little customization needed. There was a couple small things that were very unique to what our needs were that were easily accommodated by 6S and the Epicor team.